Hello friends, how are you today? We have a Samsung Note 8 OLED display, which we have separated from the glass. And we have also cleaned the glow for this. Now we will clean its oiled display with a little dust. We use Falcon 530. Now we will remove the paper from this OCA glass. Now we will combine the OCA glass with the old display. Now it's time to punch the display with YMJ machine. The OCA glass has been punched on the display. After removing the LCD from the bubble removing machine, now you can see for yourself that not a single bubble has appeared in our display, and check the finishing of the display. Now let's test the display. The display is perfectly fine, and our work is complete. Job done.